Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you to Ulinek LED fairy lights. Oh, it's a fairy string light for outdoor and indoor use. And the special thing on it is it's 25-meter long and it comes with 1,000 LED spots. Warm white Christmas light, a decoration plug in Ambiance lighting, IP44 and 8 modes available. It's an awesome Christmas lights for tree as you can see, for garden, patio, balcony, bedrooms, what you like. It's also available in 10-meter, 20, 50 and 100 of course, and colored. We have here the color gold. These are string lights made for Christmas decoration. 1,000 LEDs, light emitted diodes, warm white string lights on 25-meter copper wire with full viewing angle. These outer string lights are rolled up in a plastic cylinder wheel, easier to organize. In this packaging, there are 25 20 centimeters ties with which we can install these fairy lights more easily. And at the same time, we extend the service life with it. It's perfect for indoor and outdoor use. For Christmas, for festival decoration, for wedding, for holiday, for a party, and daily decoration, etc. As you like. There are 8 lighting modes for us to choose. We can choose to meet more needs. Classic, warm, chic and fashionable light, among which we can choose our preference to match on different occasions. That means combination, in waves, sequential, Slo-glo, chasing flash, slow fade, a twinkle flash, and of course the good old steady on. These fairy lights are flexible to design into any shape we want. Easy to hang on a Christmas tree, branches, balconies, and garlands to scatter stars around the home or brighten the garden parties and walkways. And it's safe to use with high quality tinted copper wire, keeping the outdoor string lights from overheating. The LED lights will be safer for us and friends and family, designed to gradually dissipate heat, making it touchable and safe with a warm white decoration light, a spirit Pacific night for all special days, with which we are going to love, really love. And it's friendly to environment with the low voltage. It makes it perfect to save much more energy than others. No mercury, UV, IR, or other deleterious radiation. Soft, light accompanies we all night long. Safer for our children or pets, so we can place them indoors and of course outdoors for all seasons. That's really awesome. Ulinek are the professional brand of LED lighting decorations for more than 5 years, fully understanding the needs of customers to decoration of Christmas, New Year, wedding, etc. Every year, the Ulinek brand develops new products and continually enrich the kind of fairy lights for customers. The warm white multicolored gold with dark transparent wire in 10, 25, 40, 50 and 100 meters, the curtain lights, the window lights, the LED luminous wreath. What you need, Ulinek can deliver it. They focus on the quality and refinement of each lamp and set strict manufacturing standards just for us, for our certification. And that means Merry Christmas to our awesome Christmas tree. With the Ulinek 25-meter 1000 warm white LEDs Christmas strip. With 8 control-able functions, and it is waterproof LED fairy lights. We have LED bulbs, super bright LED bulbs, strong stability, long life, and warm white. Unique string lights is safe to environment and power saving. The LED light is very low heat generating, besides saving light power. And Ulinek outdoor LED string lights is built with durable wire to protect our outdoor lights from damage caused by extreme temperatures and weather conditions. The wire cord is thicker than others, so that we can be confident in leaving our lights on display year around. The leading wire is 3-meter range. That's awesome. That's a nice Ulinek LED string fairy lights. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.